Is your Zoom meeting lagging, freezing, or constantly buffering? Meeting lag can cause delayed audio, choppy video, frozen screens, and poor communication during important calls. Fortunately, there are several ways to improve Zoom performance. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom meeting lag in 2026. The most common cause of Zoom lag is a slow or unstable internet connection. Run a speed test and make sure your connection is strong enough for video conferencing. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router for a stronger signal. For the most reliable performance, connect your computer directly using an Ethernet cable. Applications running in the background can consume bandwidth, memory, and processing power. Close downloads, streaming services, games, and unnecessary programs before joining a meeting. If your device is struggling, turn off HD video and disable unnecessary visual features. Lowering video demands can improve overall meeting performance. Make sure you're using the latest version of Zoom. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and optimizations that can reduce lag. Restarting both your computer and internet router can clear temporary issues that may be affecting Zoom performance. If Zoom still lags, monitor your CPU, memory, and network usage. Older devices or overloaded systems may struggle to handle video meetings efficiently, and that's how to fix Zoom meeting lag in 2026. By improving your internet connection, reducing system load, and optimizing Zoom settings, you can enjoy smoother meetings with better audio and video quality. So try these troubleshooting steps and make your next Zoom meeting lag-free. Thanks for watching.